Hello, meet Mr. Raju, who is having a lot of dreams in becoming rich and wealthy, but looking for a platform where he can earn good returns. Do you also worry about how to become rich and wealthy? He meets Mr. Modi, who is one of the successful investors. Mr. Modi, what's the secret of your success? Raju, do you know investing in stock markets and mutual funds with the right knowledge will make you rich and wealthy? I have been investing in the stock market since 20 years. Raju, do you know what 10,000 rupees makes if it's invested during the timeline currently? Infosys share would have made you a 17 crore rupees profit, and Bajaj Finserv would have made you a 15 lakh rupees profit. Isn't it cool? Mr. Modi, I am really excited. You know Mr. Modi, I tried all of ways and still couldn't find the right place to learn the things. Still have the same doubts. Where to invest and how to invest? Shall I invest or trade? Or shall I invest in small cap funds or large cap funds or liquid funds? Please help. Okay Raju, calm down. I will help you. Let me introduce you to TIDI Academy, where you can learn everything about stock market and is one of the best institute out there. I will suggest you to check out their best courses. They are also rated top in Google reviews. Check that out. If you still have any queries or do you want to inquire, please reach out to certified TIDI Academy trainers. You can call or WhatsApp the trainer on 8970700304 and you can also visit tidiacademy.in. Thank you and have a great day.